Joshua Powell here at Sam Boswell Honda, and this is the 2019 Honda Odyssey EXL. This vehicle does come with LED daytime running lights. You'll also have fog lights. You'll have keyless entry as well as remote start. You'll have memory settings for the 12-way power seat, which includes lumbar support. You'll have steering wheel controls to select your media sources and cycle through menus. Be able to answer your phone calls, use voice commands. The vehicle is equipped with the Honda Sensing Suite, which includes the adaptive cruise control and the lane keep assist, your road departure mitigation, and your collision mitigation braking system. You'll have paddle shifters on the steering wheel. You'll have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You'll be able to Bluetooth your music into the car. You'll have dual climate control, heated front seats, a snow mode, and econ mode. You'll have a power port, a storage compartment. And here in the center console, you'll have additional USB and power port, an aux port. This model does come with a sunroof. You have a place to store your sunglasses with a built-in mirror for the back seat. You'll have the home link buttons to be able to open up your garage door. The center seat is removable, and the outboard seats can slide in together or over to one side. You'll also have a bar underneath, which you can use to change the seating position. Use the bar to access the third row. You'll have all-weather floor mats in all rows of the vehicle. Capless fuel filler, power liftgate with a backup camera, you have the magic stow seating, and a push button close. This is the 2019 Honda Odyssey EXL here at Sam Boswell Honda. My name is Josh Powell. Please give me a call at 334-417-0406.